Come here. Bring it in, Shell. Bring it in.
We got this.
Yep.
Can you guys hear everyone?
What does a king do?
Yeah.
He rules.
Yes! He rules! He rules!
And as a ruler,
Not you! Not you! Not you! And not you! Me!
you've all had your night.
And they have all failed! I will not.
What is living on 904 Michigan? What is having roaches in trouble finding more dividends, dying a poor citizen? What is bars on the door to seal us in war killers been trying for your kid again? What is saving your Pentagon stay in an available place in the way cause you ain't paying no jakes when the A makes a way to rotate? What is waiting your safe so we can stay in your race, laying more tape, invading your state when it's pain in your face? I'm taking over me, I'm taking over life, I'm taking over everything that I have deep inside. I'm taking over me, I'm taking over life, I'm taking over everything that I have deep inside.
Found them on the floor, in fetal position. There is no war. Came here with leaving me tender. Thought shit was funny, like shit you were saying was ill. Till you made that left turn, and shit got real. When it come to rap, you cats got it all wrong. Got bars for days, but can't make a song. You didn't have what you said when you were flapping your jaw. Put some bricks, I'm fucking you rapping for.
Cause I'm fed up, so don't go fuck with me, fed up. I don't need company, fed up. They try to stop me, fed up. They don't know I'ma be fed up, so don't go fuck with me, fed up. I don't need company, fed up. They try to stop me, fed up. They don't know I'ma be.
Power is always dangerous. It attracts the worst and corrupts the best. Power is only given to those who are prepared to lower themselves to pick it up.
You've all had your night.
And they have all failed. I will not.
What does a king do?
Yeah.
He rules.
Yes! He rules!
And as a ruler,
Not you! Not you! And not you!
I'm taking over me, I'm taking over life, I'm taking over everything that I have deep inside. I'm taking over me, I'm taking over life, I'm taking over everything that I have deep inside.
It's like a throne that he don't even own. He won't sit down, give him a crown, he just throws it around. It's like a joke, he's like a king, but he don't rule a thing. He don't want the diamonds, want the gold, don't want the jewelry. He don't want the rain, don't want the loot, he's in it for the sport. Running circles round his competition on the court. He appreciates your support, but he ain't begging for it. And you can love it, you can hate it, but you can't ignore it.
Cause I'm fed up, so don't go fuck with me, fed up. I don't need company, fed up. They try to stop me, fed up. They don't know I'ma be fed up, so don't go fuck with me, fed up. I don't need company, fed up. They try to stop me, fed up. They don't know I'ma be.
Power is always dangerous. It attracts the worst and corrupts the best. Power is only given to those who are prepared to lower themselves to pick it up.
you've all had your night. Good shit, boss.
They have all failed.
Good job, son.
I will